Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our online learning platform. My name is Mr. Sherif, the class teacher for year 2. Today on our mathematics, we'll be talking about how we can change from percentage to decimal. How you can change from percentage to decimal. To start with, what do we mean by percentage? Percentage refers to per 100 of a number. It means what? Per 100 of a number. Now, percentage is represented with this symbol. So anywhere you see this symbol, it means what? Percentage. Now, let's take for instance we have 20. I already told you this symbol means what? Percentage, or you say percent in short. So we have 20%. 20% means what? 20 per 100, which can be written this way: 20 over 100. So you can be given different numbers. 30% also means what? 30 over 100. 40%, 40 over 100. Now, how can we change from percentage to decimal? Let's look at an example. We have 30%. The instruction says change the following to decimal. We have 30%. From our explanation before, we said 30% means what? 30 over 100. Now, there are different ways to do this. One, it is what I'll call the long way, which is the long method, and the other is what? The straight or the short method. So let's go through the first one using our long division. So we have 100. The denominator will be the number outside. Then 30, denominator inside. Now let's start with our division. How many 100 are we going to see in 30? We have 30. Now let's divide 100 from this 30. It's not possible, shape? Yeah. So we have 0, write 0 here since it's not possible. We have 0 points. Anytime you have something, you want to divide a number and it's not possible, and it's the beginning of your answer, you add 0 and you put your point. So we have 100. After doing that, you added your decimal point here, so you add another 0 to this, making it what? 300. So how many 100 can we say in 300? If you should count 300 and start dividing by 3, and start dividing by 100, you should get what? 3. So 100, this 100 here multiplied by 3 should give us what? 300. So let's subtract. We have 0, 0, 0. So with this, our answer will be 0.3. Now this way we've changed percentage into what? Into decimal. We've changed percentage into what? Decimal. Remember, write it out: 30 over 100. Through the long root method, we have 100, then 3. 103, not possible, write 0 points. Add 0 to this place. 100 300, 3. 100 times 3, 300, subtract. So our final answer will be the numbers on top of the roots. Now let's do one more question. We have 70%. 70 over 100. Still using our long root method, we have 700 outside, 70 inside. How many 100 are we going to see in 70? Not possible. Add 0 points, then you add your 0 here. So how many 100 are we seeing in 700? We have 7. So 100 times 7 should give us what? 700. So with that we have 0, 0, 0. So our answer remains what? 0.7. So with this we've converted what? Decimal percentage to what? Decimal. Now I said the other time that there is a short way you can do this, and this is the short way. The 100 there is having how many zeros? 2 zeros. So what you just need to do is, starting from this place here, from the outside, we have 2 zeros. So you are going to move this from here in 2 places. we are going to be introducing what? This decimal point. So we have 1, 2. So our decimal point will be here. Then in our answer we had what? 0. So which gives us what? 0.30. Then any number, anytime there is a 0 after the decimal point, it is not always written. That was why it is not written before. Do you get that? So that is the short method to that. So we have from here 1, 2, then we have 0.7. Don't forget 0.70, making what? 0.70. So it makes what? 1, 2. That's what? 0.70. So do you get that? Now that's how we change from what? Percentage to decimal. Now with these two examples, you can go through them one after the other all over again. Then when you are sure of what you are doing, come to the home drill, then solve the following question: 25%, 320%, 300, number 3, 40%, number 4, 65%, the next one 76, 89%, and 10%. So those are going to be your home drill. So with this, we've come to the end of class today. Thank you. Stay safe.